In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view new features in Shopify Dawn theme. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all of your themes are stored and where you'll manage updates and customizations. Look for the Dawn theme in the list of installed themes. When you hover over Dawn, you'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click that to reveal options like adding theme code or checking for updates. If an update is available, applying it ensures you have the newest features and bug fixes. A quick tip: back up or duplicate your theme before applying major updates so you can revert if something doesn't look right. Once you have the latest version or have chosen to inspect the current one, enter the theme editor by clicking Customize next to your live Dawn theme. This opens the visual editor where you can make changes and see them instantly in context. At the top of the editor, there's a drop-down menu that controls which part of the store you're previewing. Use that to switch between the homepage, product pages, collection pages, and more. This is essential because new features may appear on specific page types, and you want to inspect each area in turn. On the left side of the editor, you'll find the sections and blocks. Click Add Section to reveal newly available blocks like image banners, video, blog posts, or more advanced components that Dawn might include in an update. These additions let you build richer layouts without code. You can also click on existing sections, header, footer, featured products, and the like, to explore new settings or layout options. Look for any newly exposed toggles, style variants, or layout presets that give you more design flexibility. When you update to a new version, Shopify will show a notification in your theme library. Click View Release Notes to read specific details about what changed in that release. Release notes are helpful for understanding whether new blocks, performance improvements, or accessibility fixes were included. After making changes, always preview before publishing. Use the editor's preview for instant feedback, and when you want to see the live storefront experience, click the eye icon or use the 3-dot menu to view your store. Walk through the pages as a visitor would to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. That's it. A straightforward way to discover and test new Dawn theme features while keeping your store safe and up to date.